Nokia, now HMD Global brand, is trying to recapture the Indian market, and they have launched 3 new phones in India. One of them is the Nokia Sirocco, which we will unbox today. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe now. Press the bell icon for more notifications whenever I upload a video. Also check my new intro video and please comment. Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Talk, and today we are going to unbox the Nokia Sirocco. These are the box descriptions, and this is the Indian retail variant, which is priced for 49,990, and currently it's on pre-orders. Let me go ahead and check what we get inside the box. We get the device. I will keep these aside. Then we have SIM ejector tool. Let's check what we get inside the other box. We get a charger which has an output of 5V 2.5 amperes, then 3.5 to USB Type-C adapter, then headsets, which is the USB Type-C headsets and which looks premium. Here is a closer look. Then we get USB Type-C cable. Here is a closer look. So this is all we get inside the box. Also forgot to mention we get clear hard case and some booklets along with the ear tips. This is the Nokia 8, which has a metal glass design, and the front and the back is made of Gorilla Glass 5 and has a stainless steel frame. This phone comes with 5.5 inches QHD OLED 16:9 display, which has curves on both the sides, just like the Galaxy devices. Let's check the hard case which we get inside the box. This is how it fits. On the front there is a 5-megapixel selfie camera with f1.8 aperture, earpiece, proximity sensor and display. The phone is powered by a Snapdragon 835 processor with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. On the right side, there is a power button and volume buttons. And on the left, there is a SIM slot. This phone comes with a single SIM. Let's take a closer look at the SIM slot. On the top there is secondary mic, and on the bottom we get USB Type-C port, primary mic and speakers. The back is made of glass with dual camera setup. It has 12-megapixel dual cameras with f1.8 and f2.6 aperture, with flash, Carl Zeiss branding along with Nokia and Android One branding. Here is a closer look of the curved screen. Let me quickly complete the setup process. Now the setup process is completed. Here is the default home screen. Let me go into the settings and check the storage information. Out of 128 GB, system is using 12.9 GB storage, which is roughly 10%. Now let's check the software information. This phone comes with Android 8 out of the box with February security patch. However, Android 8.1 is currently rolling out. Let's go ahead and check the fingerprint sensor. Let me first add my fingerprint. I will complete the setup process first and we will test the fingerprint sensor. So now let's test the fingerprint sensor. Let's do this one more time. This is the camera app. I will do a camera review later. This is just an overview. Let me quickly take some snaps and check the shutter speed. This seems quick. There is also a 2x optical zoom because of the secondary lens. These are the pictures taken from the camera. Let's zoom and check. These are the different camera modes. There's also a Pro mode and live bokeh mode. Let me switch to the front camera. This phone also comes with NFC. Thank you all for watching this unboxing video. This video is sponsored by Khurana Sales. If you stay in Pune and want to buy this phone, please contact Khurana Sales. I will update the contact information in the description. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel.